What's up guys, in this video I will share with you how to start affiliate marketing with zero money and make $200 every single day. Believe me guys, you can easily make $200. Just one simple hack and you will be at $200 for every single day. So before we jump into the video, if you want to make $100 per day with 4 free traffic sources with affiliate marketing, then please check out the link in the description. And in this training I have shared everything related to affiliate marketing, and after this training you can easily make $100 every single day. So now if you are in the niche of making money online and entrepreneurship related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos on this channel. Now guys, what we are going to do and how are you going to make $200 every single day? First of all, there are lots and lots of my friends who ask lots of questions. For examples, how much money do I have to invest to start affiliate marketing? As guys I said, you do not even need a single rupee to start affiliate marketing. Why you do not need? You need two things. You need a landing page creator and you need an autoresponder. You can use the autoresponder get response. You will get the link in the description. Yes, that is my affiliate link. Okay, but the catch over here, catch is this: you are going to get 30-day free trial, and after following these tips you can easily make at least $500 in your just first month. Okay, it depends. Some of my students are making $2,000 within just first month. So be sure to just start taking action. Just get the 30-day free trial. With that you can easily create one landing page, okay, with 1,000 visits, and also you can store up to 1,000 emails, and with 1,000 emails you can easily make $2,000. So you just need zero money to start with affiliate marketing, and we are going to use free traffic methods, so you literally need zero money for that as well. So how are we going to make and what we are going to do? So first of all, what we are going to do, we are simply going to start this with from here. What we are going to do, we are going to simply create a landing page. Let's say this is the our any social media, whatever it is, it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever you think. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to drive the traffic by the attraction marketing. If you do not know what is attraction marketing, basically in the attraction marketing you create content for other guys and they will see you as an authority figure, and finally they are going to come to you for asking for advice and all that stuff. Then you can sell them anything, whatever you want. So literally this is really going to be very crazy. Okay, and now what we are going to do, we are going to drive the traffic from the social media from here to our free landing page, where we are going to give something for free. Okay, what we are going to do, basically you can give a free video training or free PDF or whatever but you need to give something valuable, because we are here to build the long-term relation. We are not here to build a quick buck of $5, $10, or maybe $100. We are here to make thousands of dollars. Okay, so we just need to give over here value something, and in return we are going to collect their email. So this is the time over here that we have collected their email, and now we are going to start building our relation. The first thing we are going to do, we are going to send them to a thank you page, where we are going to introduce ourselves, who am I, how we started, and what they can expect from me. Okay, so we are going to do all these things over here. So literally on the thank you page they will come to know about us, so they will start the relation will start building from there. Okay, basically the trust is also start building from here, because we are providing the valuable content. Another time we are providing valuable content over here, and over here the relation will be start building very fast. Okay, so thereafter what we are going to do, we are going to send them valuable emails, sometimes promotional email. So basically what we are going to do, we are going to use the Gary V's basically really it's a great technique, Gary V's jab. Okay, jab, that means give. Okay, then another second email, jab. Okay, thereafter the third email will be hook, right hook. So what we are going to do, we are going to give value, pitch. So we are going to just keep on following these things, to value, one pitch, to value, one pitch, or maybe if you think that it is going too much, you can add one more value over here. Okay, so this is the ultimate way we are going to send them the valuable emails and the pitch emails. And also in the valuable emails we are going to give a call to action in the end. For example, if you are going to teach them something, for example how to how to lose weight. Okay, so what you can give, you can give the 10 tips. Let's say you are sending a valuable email and you are sending them to a YouTube video. So what you can do in the first 10 minutes, when you are going to explain about the free tips, just keep on explaining the free tips, and after when you are going to end the video, you can give a call to action. For example, if you want to lose weight, just check out the just click the button below. Okay, so this is the way we are also going to make money from these emails as well. Okay, but the most money we will be making with these emails as well. Okay, so we are going to do simple stuff, just collecting the emails and then sending the emails. So basically now we have done everything. Now what is the one thing, basically in this training I have also shared how you can create a high converting landing page, okay, that converts up to 60%. Okay, so you can also check out that in the training as well. So now we have created our landing page. We have but the question over here is this: from where we are going to drive that traffic and how. Basically in the training I have shared about in this free training I have shared about the 4 free traffic methods, but now I am going to be sharing with you 1 traffic source out of those 4 traffic sources, and the rest 3 you can get into this training. Okay, really guys, it is very valuable. Just to start taking action after watching this training. Okay, and nobody can stop you to make $100 after 30 days. Okay, so really it's going to be very easy. So what we are going to do, we are going to use the forums to drive that traffic. Literally what in the training, let me tell you one thing. What we need 1000 emails to make $2,000 to $3,000. Okay, it depends on you whether you are going to spam them, then you can then you wouldn't be able to make even $500. But if you are going to give them value, you can even make $4,000 with just 1000 emails. That all depends on you, how are you going to utilize their power. So now what we are going to do over here in the training, I have told you how you can get the 1000 leads. Okay, and with 1000 leads you can easily make $2,000 to $3,000 or even $4,000. So the average will be $3,000. Okay, and that means $1,000 every single day. Now you may be thinking how I am going to reach to $200. Basically once you have done this, you can invest this money in the paid traffic as well. Okay, and what you can do else, you can also use the same tactic again the next month, and you will be at $6,000. Okay, that will be complete passive income. Then you can use this money into the paid traffic and can scale it up very fast. Okay, so in that training I have shared the 4 traffic sources, and those 4 traffic sources are literally going to be very crazy, because you just need 250 leads from each of the traffic sources. Just 250 leads from each. Facebook is having billions and billions of users. Can you just get 250 guys? Okay, these forums are having thousands and thousands of guys. Can you just get 250 leads, guys? YouTube is having billions of users. Can you again get 250 leads from YouTube? And Instagram is over having millions of users. Basically it's growing very fast. Okay, so can you just get over 250 leads? Absolutely guys, getting 250 leads is not a big deal. Just start taking action in the right direction. Okay, so I'm going to share with you in this video about the forums. It is one of the best traffic sources, guys, and the catch is this: it is completely free. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are let's say if you are in the weight loss for niche, so you just need to type on the Google like weight loss forums. Okay, it's kind of wrong spelling over here. So what you after you are going to search, you are going to see over here tons and tons of forums will be coming. So I'm sorry guys for. So you will see there are tons and tons of forums. Look at this over here. You can also check out this this blog, top 100 weight loss blogs, website and newsletter to follow. Okay, so what you can do, you can also search over here something like best weight loss forums. Okay, so it is going to reveal the top 10 forums and all that stuff. So what you need to do, you just simply need to go on any kind of for example we are going to go on this forum. So you just need to go on that forum. Basically now there are 2 methods to make money with the weight loss forums, but we are literally not here to make money. Okay, we are here to make money in the back end. We do not say, nobody will come to know even that we are here to make money. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to join these forums. You just simply need to click on sign up and sign up for these forums. Now look at this guys over here, weight loss diary, club challenges, motivation. There are tons and tons of guys that are speaking weight loss through exercise. So what you can do, let's say you have created an ebook related to losing weight with exercise. So you just need to go over there and you will see that lots and lots of people are asking lots and lots of questions. So what you need to do, you just simply need to help them out what they are asking. Okay, just simply go over there and simply click on the reply. Let's say there is something kind of adding guide and someone is asking something, just help them. What you need to do, just simply give them a really good answer. Okay, and in the end you can also say, for example, let's say someone is asking how to lose weight with exercise, what are the best exercises to lose weight. So what you can do over here, just tell him this is the one of just tell him about an exercise and tell him that this is one of the best exercise to lose weight. Okay, but further I have shared about 10 more exercises in this free PDF. If you want, you can check it out over here. It's completely free. So when you are going to do that, you can leave a link of that. Okay, some forums do not allow, so leave that, but a lot of forums are available where you can post links. When you are going to post the links, not only that guy will see, look at this, 348 views. So if out of 348 views only 10 guys are going to click your check your PDF, then what's the bad in that, guys? What's the bad? You have gotten generated 10 leads by just answering one question. Okay, so you just need to come over here. And if you can just write about 50 answers every single day, look at this guy, 78,000 views. So I am damn sure that this guy has at least, if he has promoted at anything, then he has at least generated over tons and tons of leads. Okay, so you just need to go in the answer and join the conversation and just simply help them out, and thereafter leave a link of something like PDF, free PDF or whatever it is. Okay, but remember, look at this, how much valuable answer is this. You also need to give the valuable answer. Now you might be thinking how I am going to write such an interesting answer and all that stuff. So what you need to do, you just need to go to the Google Docs, and over there you just need to come over here and click on the tools, and over here click on the voice typing, and after that you just need to speak your thoughts about the weight loss. You will come to know that within just 5 minutes you have written over 500 plus words article. Just copy that and just paste it over here. That's it guys, and after that you will be start generating leads. And some of the forums also have some kind of free giveaway section. Okay, so what you can do, you can just go over there. I don't think that this forum is having that. So you just need to upload your kind of ebook or do not upload the ebook, but tell them that here is the free giveaway of how to lose weight with exercise and all that stuff you can do. Okay, so literally guys, these things really work. Just to start taking action. This is only the ultimate key for making when you online or whatever you want to do. And I will see you in the training as well, because where I will be sharing you 4 traffic sources and how to build a high converting landing page. So I will see you in the training, and bye bye for now. And also guys, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, and I will see you in the training as well.